Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Warzone not installing for Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is, if you have it installed through Xbox app, hit Xbox, go over to Call of Duty, and it should say update right here. Once the game is updated, you should be good to go. And if you're on Steam, you can do the same thing as well. Just go ahead and open up Steam and just go to library. This might take a while, but just go to library, go to, Call of Duty, and it should say update. But basically, when the game is updated, you want to go over to Warzone now. You want to go ahead and open up Warzone. And once Warzone is open, you should be at the home page. Have to wait for to launch. But anyways, once basically, like you updated on, Xbox app, Steam, Battle.net, it doesn't really matter, whatever, wherever you started up from, but as long as it is updated and the game is open, the next step that you guys need to take is basically, just gotta wait for this to finish, is you want to now install Warzone like from the game itself. And in order to do that, you have to be at the home page. So go over to, just wait for the home page to load up. Go over to okay, so once you're here, you want to click on Call of Duty Warzone Season 1. And if it doesn't open up, like if it does open up, that means you guys are good to go, and you can play Warzone now. But if it doesn't open up, what something that's gonna open up instead is like, oh, it says like you can download DLC packs, or you can download install packs, and you want to select the Warzone one. Once the Warzone one is installed, it should be about 40 to 50 gigabytes, so it's almost like two like downloads, I guess. Like first the original, like one from Xbox app, Steam, and then like from the game itself. So it's kind of like two updates, I guess, or two installations. But anyways, once this is installed, like the Warzone DLC, or Warzone whatever is installed, you should be able to play, and you guys should be good to go. Yeah, and that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.